Let's start exercise 9.1 with question number 1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the rope if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. In this question, figure is given and this figure represents the situation given in the question. In this given figure, AB represents the pole and AC represents the 20-meter long rope, and we have to find height of the pole AB. So let us write AB height of the pole. AC 20-meter long rope. This AC 20-meter long rope makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground level, and this rope is tied with the top of this vertical pole A to the ground at point C. So this angle ACB is the angle of elevation of the top of this vertical pole AB at point C. So in right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, angle ACB is 30 degree, which is angle of elevation of the top of the pole from point C. So AB by AC perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to sine 30 degrees. AB we have to find, which is height of the pole. AC length of the rope is given 20 meter and sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So this implies AB is equal to 1 by 2 into 20, and this is equal to 10. So AB, which is height of the pole, is 10 meter. Therefore, height of the pole is equal to 10 meter, and this is the answer. Question number 2. A tree breaks due to a storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find height of the tree. Let us draw a simple diagram which will represent the given situation in the question. This diagram is like this. In this diagram, AB represents the height of the tree, which breaks at point C, and upper broken portion BC touches the ground at point D, and this distance of this point D from the foot of this tree is given 8 meter, and this broken portion touches the ground at D, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. We have to find height of the tree. So AB here in this figure is height of the tree. height of the tree. BC is upper broken portion of the tree. Which is equal to CD. AD equal to 8 meter. Broken portion BC touches the ground at D, which is at 8 meter of distance from the foot of the tree A. So AD is 8 meter. From this point D, this angle CDA is as angle of elevation of point C, and this triangle CAD is right triangle. Length, height of this tree AB can be written as AC plus BC. In right triangle, CAD angle CDA equal to 30 degree, which is as an angle of elevation of point C from point D on the ground. So AC by AD equal to tan 30 degrees. AC we have to find out. So AC by AD is 8 meter equal to 1 by root 3, and this implies AC is equal to 8 by root 3. Now in triangle CAD, we have AD by CD. AD is base, CD is hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse, AD by CD is equal to cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. AD 8 meter by CD is equal to cos 30 degrees under root 3 by 2, and this implies CD into root 3 if you cross multiply will be equal to 2 into 8, 16. So CD is equal to 16 by root 3. Therefore, AB you can write equal to AC plus BC, which is AC plus CD, because upper broken portion BC is actually CD. So this is equal to 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, which is equal to 24 by root 3. If you rationalize it, you can write 24 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 equal to 24 root 3 by root 3. 3 8 ja 24, 8 root 3. So this is AB, and AB is height of the tree. So therefore height of the tree AB is equal to 8 root 3 meter, and this is the answer. Now let's see question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. The children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide of height 1.5 meter inclined at 30 degree to the ground, and for the elder children at a height of 3 meter inclined to 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slides in each case? In this question also we have drawn a figure. In this figure, ABC and PQR are representing 2 slides. ABC is slide for the children below the age of 5 years, and slide PQR is drawn for the elder children above the age of 5 years. In first slide, height is 1.5 meter and slide is inclined at 30 degree with the ground. Second slide, height is 3 meter and slide is inclined at 60 degree with the ground. We have to find what should be the length of slides in each of the 2 cases. That is, we have to find AC and PR. In right triangle ABC, we have AB by AC AB is perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse, so perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine 30 degrees. AB is 1.5 meter by AC is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, AC is equal to 1.5 into 2. So AC is equal to 3 meter. So length of this first slide for the children below the age of 5 years is equal to 3 meter. Now let's find the length of the slide for the elder children. So in right triangle PQR, we have PQ by PR is equal to sine 60 degrees. PQ is 3 meter, PR we have to find sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. This implies PR into root 3 equal to 3 into 2, 6. So PR is equal to 6 by root 3. If you rationalize the denominator, it will be 6 root 3 by 3 and it will be 2 root 3 meter. So therefore lengths of the slides AC and PR are respectively 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter, and this is the answer. Now fourth question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. In this question we need to draw a figure which will show the given situation, which will represent the given situation in the question. So here is a figure. In this figure, AB represents the height of the tower, BC 30 meter, C is a point 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, and from this point C, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. We have to find height of this tower. So AB in this figure represents height of the tower. BC is 30 meter, distance of point C from the foot of the tower, and angle of elevation ACB is 30 degrees. So in right triangle ABC we have AB by BC is equal to tan 30 degrees. AB height of the tower we have to find out. BC is base given 30 meter, which is equal to 1 by root 3, and this implies AB is equal to 1 by root 3 into 30. So this is equal to 30 by root 3. If you rationalize the denominator, it will be equal to 30 root 3 by 3. So 3 10 is 30, 10 root 3. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter, and this is the answer.